Now we are going to see a beautiful and captivating home, a quiet harmony that balances sophistication with the ease of coastal living. You will see natural light spills through generous windows, brushing across stone walls and soft fabrics, revealing a palette that feels both timeless and refreshingly modern. Let's take a look. Step inside a home where East Coast tradition meets West Coast cool, where refined craftsmanship and effortless California living come together in perfect balance. Every corner seems to breathe, the rooms unfolding gently, connected by texture, tone, and a subtle rhythm of design. You feel the warmth of wood beams above, the calm of muted blues and greens below, and the embrace of spaces that invite both reflection and togetherness. Here, the beauty lies in the balance. Rustic materials meet contemporary lines, and every detail feels intentional, from the way sunlight dances across layered textiles to the quiet elegance of handcrafted decor. There's no rush, no noise, just an atmosphere that feels effortlessly lived in, where design and comfort coexist in perfect ease. It's a home that celebrates contrast. Stone against softness, structure against serenity, a sense of tradition meeting modern grace. Even the simplest moments feel curated with care. A vase catching morning light, a chair pulled close to conversation, a table waiting to gather laughter. The design speaks a language of connection, where every room tells a different part of the same story, one of calm, creativity, and quiet beauty. And as the tour moves outdoors, the feeling doesn't end, it expands. Sunlit terraces, cozy alcoves, and breezy lounges echo the same effortless charm found within. Here, the boundary between indoors and out almost disappears, replaced by the easy flow of air, light, and life. This is more than a house. It's a reflection of thoughtful living. Every choice, every color, every texture, every piece feels composed yet deeply personal. It's the kind of space that reminds you, true elegance isn't about perfection. It's about presence. It's about how a home makes you feel the moment you walk in, and how it stays with you long after you've left.